Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I edited this Moody photo that I took in the city center. Let's get right into it. Alright, so start by turning down the saturation of all sliders in the HSL tab. I went for a more desaturated look, so I don't really need most of the colors. And as you can see, the sky is quite some blue, so let's bring back some of the color. Now go to lens corrections and enable profile corrections and remove chromatic aberration. Now let's work on a basic edit. First of all, change your white balance. Turn down the exposure. Around so. Then increase the whites to make the overall image pop a lot more. Decrease the highlights to bring back some detail in the clouds. Decrease a little bit of the blacks for some contrast. And add a little bit of clarity. Now for the tone curve, add a point in the highlights and one in the shadows. And increase the highlights a little bit. Then also raise the shadows for a faded look. Like so. Now click on the detail tab, press Alt. And move the masking slider to the right, so the sharpness only affects the areas with strong edges. Then add a little bit of noise reduction and bring up the color to 50. In the color grading tab, click on highlights and add some orange to make the image a little bit warmer. For the masks, I'll add a radial gradient on the right building. And increase the shadows to bring back some detail. And I'll do the same for the left building. To make the sky look even more dramatic, I'll add another mask. Then select sky. And then add some dehaze. To finalize the image, go to the HSL tab, choose Hue and increase the blues. Then at Luminance, turn down the blues. Also remove any unwanted spots with the healing brush tool. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one.